Hello there, myself Swapnil, and before starting the video, I just would like to mention here I'm newbie, so if anything I miss here, then let me know in comment box and just ask me whatever you want to ask relating to this video. Okay, so without wasting of time, I just start here. So let's see. If you wanted to withdraw your payer balance to Binance, so what you need to do is just simply you open like interface like that. You already see this is your account payer. Okay, so it's currently it's mine. So well, uh, in my account, euro balance is 0.56 available, and Russian ruble is not available. I mean, almost nothing. It's just 2 cents. You can see here the valuation of that dollar. So well, if you wanted to convert like euro to rub to USD or whatever it is, you can convert from here, like exchange by clicking here. Well, definitely, I'm just giving you the information for extra purpose because sometime if you wanted to convert as per the requirement, then you can convert from here. Okay, so debit account is just you need to select here the 56 and you will be see sorry 0.56 and you will see here the credit amount is 32.65. So kind of this I don't want to convert this in Russian ruble, so that's why I don't here directly convert. So well, basically this is your payer account and it's your Binance account. I just assume that you have already Binance account. If you don't have, then you can open by just registering him register there. So here you see this is the wallet section and here is the market trade and buy crypto. So here this is section of buy crypto. You see here this is a depositor of via card. So here you just need to click here one single press and then just wait. Yeah, see here this is the payer account balance, the option. Okay, so you choose this option and just select the continue because you never select here like euro or any other currency. Okay, you should here select the currency as it is Russian ruble because that's how you can directly deposit from payer account to Binance. So that's how it's work. So just click here the payer account balance and then continue, and let's see this is the amount what you want to withdraw. So just enter random number like the what kind of a withdraw you want to withdraw here from payer to deposit that Binance. So now I just wanted to here deposit 30 Russian ruble, which I don't know what exactly the cost, but I just I will be know after this amount showing here. See, this is the invoice here. Invoice page will become here, and see if I choose the here euro, then exact amount they will be show 52.52. So right now in my account 56.66 56 available euro. So what I need to do is just raise the amount because if I want to every single cent or every single penny withdraw from payer to Binance or deposit to Binance from payer, then I need to just make sure about that to input here the proper value. Like if I choose here 30, I think 2 rub, and if I press here the continue button, then maybe chances is high, and I need to choose here the euro. Okay, so after that euro choosing, you see here this is the 0.55 euro. They just ask me to confirm or not for deposit here to Binance. I mean from payer to Binance. So I just need to confirm here, and that page directly shift bringing us to directly payer. And see here we just need to confirm here. So right